We guide you through how to turn off professional mode on Facebook quick and clearly. First thing you need to do is to open the Facebook app and go to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, scroll down a little until you see the professional mood panel. If you don't see it right away, tap the three dots next to Edit Profile. Inside the menu, look for Turn Off Professional Mood and tap it. Facebook will show a confirmation screen explaining what features you'll lose, such as insights and monetization tools. Tap Turn Off again to confirm, and your profile will switch back to a regular personal account instantly. Your post, friends list, photos, and followers will stay the same, only the professional features are removed. After that, refresh your profile and you'll see everything back to normal.